How to enable Gyroscope in Farlight 84. Hi everyone, welcome back to Gameplay Classic. If you want to enable the Gyroscope in Farlight 84 game, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open Farlight 84 game on your Android or iOS device and wait for the game to load. From the main lobby screen after the game loads, go to the top left and tap on the gear icon. This will open the settings where you'll need to go ahead and look for the gyroscope option. You'll be able to find it a little at the bottom. And now you have two options that you can select. Either you want the gyroscope to be always or on when ADS. If you select always on, the gyroscope is active all the time. If you select on when ADS, the gyroscope activates only while aiming down sights. So after making the selection, you can head back to the lobby screen and start your game, and you'll be able to enable the gyroscope in Farlight 84. So that's how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.